Kiki and the Space Bananas. Kiki loves bananas. Morning, noon, and night. Banana, banana, banana.
Yum, yum! I want more! I want more bananas! Then idea! Let's go find some in space! I'll build a banana rocket! All ready! Let's go! 3, 2, 1, banana!
Zoom up into the sky. First, the rocky planet.
Bananas were there, but crunch! Ouch, my teeth!
Next, the fiery planet.
The bananas were too hot to touch! Yikes! My tail's on fire!
Then, the icy planet.
Frozen bananas cold as ice! Brr, my nose is freezing! Maybe Earth bananas are the best after all.
Kiki felt sad. He flew back home to the jungle. His friends were waiting.
Welcome back! Let's have a banana party!
Earth bananas are the best!
They all munched and laughed.
Banana party!
Even when you travel far, the best things might be right by your side.